Investing in notes or private debt with a self-directed retirement account is an easy, straightforward process. Let's break it down. Step 1. Open and fund your self-directed IRA or other account through a custodian like Equity Trust. You can do this online or over the phone. Step 2. Find an investment opportunity. It's possible to invest in mortgages, car loans, or even rehab or construction loans. Step 3. Request funds from your account and direct your investment. You can do this through myEQUITY, our online account management system. Sign the documentation and make sure the titling of the investment is correct. An Equity Trust private debt liaison will process the transaction and your account will own the investment. Step 4. Equity Trust will disburse the funds to the payee based on the instructions you provided. Step 5. The borrower can easily make payments online. All income goes back into your account. Based on your account type, any profits from your investment will grow either tax-deferred or tax-free. Learn more about what's possible with the self-directed IRA at trustetc.com.